Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change image size in Photopea in inches. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Photopea software, then create a new project. Click this new project option. Now I am select the height and width, then choose the measurement units option and choose the inches option. Then click create option. Then go to the file menu, select this open and place option. Then choose image from our file and click open. Now I am select the image layer, then press Ctrl T. Now we want to change the height and width of the image with inches. Select the height and width option and change the height and width. Now I am write 10, then press enter. We can see we change the size of image in inches easily. Then you can again change the size another way, stretching the image. Now we can see we change image size in inches very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.